Salut tout le monde et bienvenue. Welcome back to Walk, Talk and Learn French. My name is Mark, I'm your coffee break teacher, and this is the series where we walk about the streets of a French-speaking place, talk about what we see, and you learn French with us. Today we are in the airport, just arrived in France, so let's see what we've got in store for you today. So I've no sooner arrived in Paris and there's something interesting here in this welcome sign. Paris n'attendait plus que vous. So we've got a ne que, but also a ne plus here. Paris n'attendait plus que vous. Paris was waiting for nothing more other than you, or indeed me. Let's go back to the studio to find out a little more about ne que and ne plus. So in this example, we've got Paris n'attendait plus que vous. We've got a ne, a plus, and a que. Let's look at this in detail. Now in French, we can consider ne que, meaning only. And we can also think about ne plus, meaning no more. But with this example, we've also got ne plus que. So we've got three words here, and we need to work out what this means because it's got a slightly different meaning. Let's consider this. We're going to first of all start with ne plus. So let's take an example. Guillaume ne veut plus venir avec nous. We're going to think about this carefully. Guillaume ne veut plus venir avec nous. We're going to take out the ne plus first of all and think about what this would mean. Guillaume veut venir avec nous. Guillaume wants to come with us. That makes sense. But if we put in the ne plus, then this means Guillaume no longer wants to come with us. He used to want to come with us, now he doesn't want to come with us. So Guillaume ne veut plus venir avec nous. And note that ne and plus go around the verb veut from vouloir. Guillaume ne veut plus venir avec nous. Let's take another example. Élise n'est plus avec Yves. So once again, if we take out the ne plus, that would be Élise est avec Yves. Élise is with Yves. But if we say Élise n'est plus avec Yves, Élise is no longer with Yves. So that's ne plus. And ne plus is the easy one. We take ne and plus and put them around the verb, and it means no longer. Let's now take a closer look at ne que. Now, ne que is a negative, but if you like, it's a negative of restriction because it's going to restrict certain things. In fact, that's why we translate it as only ne que. This will make more sense when we look at some examples. Here we have Mathilde ne mange que des poires. Now, let's think about this. Ne que goes round the verb manger, so ne mange que des poires. Mathilde ne mange que des poires. And what this means is that Mathilde only eats pears. Now we need to think exactly what that means. Does that mean that Mathilde only eats pears and nothing else? Well, yes, it does. That's the only thing she eats. Mathilde ne mange que des poires. Let's add some more information about it because we could now specify when she eats pears. For example, Mathilde ne mange que des poires le mardi. So here we're saying Mathilde only eats pears on a Tuesday. But does it mean she only eats pears on a Tuesday and nothing else? Or does it mean that she eats pears only on a Tuesday? Well, it all depends on where we put the que. Mathilde ne mange que des poires le mardi means that Mathilde only eats pears on Tuesday. However, if we displace that que, if we put it to another place, if for example we move it to before le mardi, then when we say Mathilde ne mange des poires que le mardi, that means Mathilde eats pears only on a Tuesday. So let's think about these two concepts again. We have Mathilde ne mange que des poires le mardi on a Tuesday. All that Mathilde eats is pears versus Mathilde ne mange des poires que le mardi. So on a Tuesday she eats pears. She may eat other things, but on every other day of the week she does not eat pears. So that is ne que, a very useful, slightly more complicated expression than ne plus, but hopefully it now makes sense. Let's now look at ne plus que. Ne plus que has a special meaning, and it's going to be easier if we look at some examples to find out exactly what this special meaning is. So let's look at this example. Aujourd'hui, restauré, il n'attend plus que le feu vert des autorités. So that means something like today restored, it is only waiting for the green light from the authorities. So this is an example from a text. Whatever it is, the building has been restored. They're just waiting on the green light. So the only thing they're waiting for now is the green light, the go-ahead from the authorities. Il n'attend plus que le feu vert des autorités. So we've got n'attendre plus que. Those three things here. Ne plus que. Il n'attend plus que le feu vert des autorités. Let's look at another example. This is from a beautiful song called Petite Marie by Francis Cabrel. Je n'attends plus que toi pour partir. Je n'attends plus que toi pour partir. So what you're saying here is, I'm only waiting for you in order to leave. And this is used for emphasis here. So I'm waiting only for you. You're the only person I'm waiting for in order to leave. Je n'attends plus que toi pour partir. And another use of ne plus que is in this almost a set phrase. Il ne manquait plus que ça. And this is a great phrase that you can use. It's when things are going really badly and then just the worst possible thing happens. That was the last thing I needed. Il ne manquait plus que ça. Il ne manquait plus que ça. And so now if we come right back round to Paris n'attendait plus que vous. Paris n'attendait plus que vous. You are the only person left that Paris is waiting for. You are the most important person and you are just the thing that Paris is waiting for. Paris n'attendait plus que vous. Et voilà, that is where we're going to leave this episode of Walk, Talk and Learn French. I hope that you've enjoyed it. I hope that you've found it useful and that practicing the French language in this way by seeing real French on the streets of France or indeed in the airport like this episode has been useful to you. Of course, don't forget that to get more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel here on YouTube and don't forget to click the bell icon that appears and that way you'll get notified when we publish new videos. For now, merci beaucoup. Il ne me reste plus qu'à dire au revoir. The only thing left for me to do is say goodbye.